Changing your legal name on Sisense is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your name is updated correctly in the system. Step 1. Log into your Sisense account. Begin by accessing your Sisense account using your credentials. Make sure you have the necessary permissions to make changes to your profile. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings section. This is typically found in the User Profile menu, often represented by your profile picture or an icon. Step 3. Select Personal Information. In the Account Settings, find the option for Personal Information or Profile Details. This section allows you to edit your name and other relevant information. Step 4. Update your legal name. Enter your new legal name in the designated fields. Ensure that the spelling and format are correct to avoid any issues with your account. Step 5. Save changes. After updating your name, look for the Save or Update button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your changes are recorded in the system. Once you have completed these steps, your legal name should be updated in Sisense. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.